Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 4th October 2024. Japan's Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, or MUFG, the world's second largest bank holding company, has re-entered the contest to acquire a majority stake in Yes Bank, India's sixth largest private bank by assets. This comes a month after MUFG's $2 billion proposal to invest in HDB Financial, the non-banking finance arm of HDFC Bank, got rejected by the Private Lenders Board in August. The current market value of Yes Bank is Rs 68,587 crore. A 51% stake sale would make it India's largest banking sector M&A. The centre has overhauled its plan to deploy electric vehicle charging stations by including subsidies for setting up 2- and 3-wheeler chargers. This is a significant development since earlier iterations of the EV subsidy scheme, called Faster Adoption and Manufacturing of Electric Vehicles, or FAME, did not support deployment of 2- or 3-wheeler charging stations. This initiative aims to support deployment of 72,300 public charging stations through a Rs 2,000 crore allocation. Of these, 48,400 EV charging stations will be for 2- and 3-wheelers and 1,800 for buses. The average salary increase in India is likely to be 9.5% in 2024-25 compared to an actual increase of 9.3% in 2024, according to the first phase of the Aon Annual Salary Increase and Turnover Survey 2024-25. The study analyzed data across 1,176 companies from over 40 industries between July and August 2024. The engineering and manufacturing and retail industries project double-digit increases at 10%, closely followed by financial institutions at 9.9%, indicating the strategic importance employers place on talent in these sectors in the current economic landscape. India has approved a $1.2 billion initiative to double edible oil production within 7 years, aiming to reduce reliance on imports. The program will boost oilseed productivity using high-yield varieties and advanced technologies, targeting a production increase from 12.7 to 24.45 million metric tons by 2030-31. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court ruled on Thursday that the Income Tax Act must be interpreted with the amended provisions effective from 1st April 2021. This ruling directly impacts approximately 90,000 reassessment notices, clarifying that the amendments introduced by the Taxation and Other Laws Relaxation and Amendment of Certain Provisions Act remain applicable to the Income Tax Act beyond the specified date. The verdict stems from the case involving Ashish Agarwal and sets aside several High Court rulings, including those from the Gujarat, Allahabad, Bombay, Orissa and Delhi High Courts. This marks a significant victory for the tax department as the legal disputes began during the pandemic when the government extended regulations for reopening old tax assessments, leading to confusion between the old and new laws. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.